Mike here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily remove the taillight off of your Subaru Forester. The thing to do is remove the plastic trim from the inside of the taillights, and there's two plastic clips with a Phillips head inside. With the Phillips head screwdriver, you're going to slowly unscrew this little screw from inside the plastic clip, and once it's out, this whole plastic clip will be able to pull out from the housing. Once the clips are removed, the piece will be loose and wiggling, but you're going to have a hard time getting it out because it's seated inside here along the edge of the tail light. And the only easy way to do that is with some kind of pry tool, just to get under from the bottom and slide your way up, right up to the top. Wiggle as you go, and then you should hear a pop. There's a little clip right up in here that'll come out as you run up towards it with a pry tool, and then just shimmy it out. I'll zoom in and show you. These are the little clips I'm talking about. One right up at top, and there was one halfway, but I didn't even notice that one. It popped out so easy. Now with the trim piece removed, you'll have access to the two bolts that are keeping the taillight in place. It's a Phillips head screwdriver or 10mm socket, and this is where you're going to need the 10mm deep socket, because this bolt here is recessed and you'll need that for your ratchet to clear. Or if you have an extender like I have, I used a 4-inch extender with a regular size socket. I tried to use just a Phillips head screwdriver and go that route, but they were on pretty tight, so to break them free you will need to use the ratchet. Now that the two bolts are removed, you just have to take the taillight and pull it out, and wiring harness, push down on the tab and pull that out, and your taillight is free and clear. Hopefully this video helped you get your taillight off of your Subaru Forester, and if it did, let me know in the comments. I love reading them and I always make sure to reply. The likes and the comments mean a lot, and they help a lot too.